Welcome to another episode on HR's Nesta's page. So, let's talk about one of the biggest HR confusions in the UK, which is the maternity leave versus the maternity pay. Okay, so people often use these terms interchangeably, but they are completely different rights under the UK employment law. And that confusion can cause unnecessary panic when someone is expecting a baby, especially when employers don't communicate clearly. And in this video, we're going to be explaining what the legal law says regarding this topic. Okay, so many expectant employees assume that a year off means a year of paid leave, but legally, that is not how it works. Stay with me. Okay, so here's the truth: maternity leave is the time that you are entitled to be away from work. Okay, maternity leave is the time you're entitled to be away from work. It's usually up to 52 weeks in total. Let's say that's 26 weeks of ordinary maternity leave and 26 weeks of additional maternity leave. I hope you all are following. Okay, on the other hand, maternity pay is what you are paid during that time when you are on maternity leave. Yes. So the statutory maternity pay that you receive provides up to 39 weeks, which is the first 6 weeks at 90% of your average weekly earnings, followed by 33 weeks of I think £184 3 pence per week, or 90% of your average weekly earning, whichever is lower. So disclaimer, please check with your employer before you file for your maternity leave or maternity pay or maternity statutory pay. Check with your employer. Now to the big question, how do you qualify? I know you all will say, yes, you have to be pregnant first to qualify. Yes. So how do you qualify? To qualify, you must have worked for your employer for at least 26 continuous weeks and earn at least the statutory earnings threshold. Yes, you have to check with your employer. You also have to go through the employment law in the UK to get what this earning threshold is. So for at least 26 continuous weeks and earn at least the statutory earning threshold. And what employers should do is to provide a clear written breakdown early in pregnancy so families can plan without distress. I believe if you have the knowledge, you'll be able to plan ahead of time. So I hope you found this useful. Please share this with a manager or a colleague. And until then, I will see you in my next video.